9 on creating your own marketing videos is about editing your video. I decided to add this tip as a lot of people go, I've made a video, what do I do with it now? So editing your video can be part of your initial planning. However, whatever software you decide to use, learning the following functions is going to help your creations. Learning to cut out unwanted clips from your video, such as when you move forward to start and to stop your video. Learning how to knit together a sequence of clips and how to do that seamlessly. Adding and laying over a soundtrack, such as music or your own voiceover. And then how to save your video to a format that's easily loaded to social media platforms, if indeed that's where you want to put them. Now, if you are a Mac-based user, you will have the software and apps available to you called iMovie. If you are a Windows-based user, you will have the software and app available to you called Clipchamp. There are others you can use, such as CapCut, Canva, Camtasia, InShot, VN Editor, UCut. But whatever software you use, just get creative with it. When you get used to this, you will have so much fun.